What happened with your jaw? When did you get it checked out? And then how did this internet thing come up that it was broken?
Yeah. So the reason the internet thing came up is because it was one of the worst Photoshops, but let me say, in the history of the sport. Someone went and took a image off Google. They put my name on it, Colby Covington. And first off, if you ever see an X-ray film, it never will read your name straight across. It will look backwards. And they Photoshopped the image. The front tooth had a cap on it. Do I have cats on my front teeth? I don't think so. So it was just a bad Photoshop, and that's just the trolls, the people that hate me the most because they hate my success. They hate that I'm in this position. They hate that I'm doing better than them in life. So they want to try and discredit me, and they want to downplay my accomplishments. And the media ran with it. Oh, you broken jaw. It wasn't competitive. Oh, this fake X-ray that they came. That's not even a real X-ray. So nothing was broken. The only thing that was broken was Marty's pride that night because he doesn't want to run this back in round 2 and he got forced to. And now November 6th, I'm going to take everything he's worked for his whole entire life and he's going to have nothing left to show for it.
Oh!